Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Oh, it's so good to see the rain finally in southern Kentucky. Almost an inch of rain at the Bowling Green Airport just last night before midnight. And now we're getting another wave of showers and thunderstorms coming through on First Alert Live Doppler radar. Some lighter showers here in the Bowling Green, Warren County area, but it's right there just to our west that we're seeing some pretty decent downpours from Central City to Greenville, now Morgantown. Even a little bit of thunder and lightning, although there's not a lot showing up on the lightning tracker. We've had some rumbles of thunder and some brief heavy downpours, even down to Hopkinsville. And then as you head on down into Tennessee, look at this area of rain now coming through the Huntington area, moving toward Dixon. All that's moving east into Middle Tennessee and toward the Nashville area. So we're not done with the rain. And as the rainfall continues, some of it could be heavy at times. We also have the latest on what is now Tropical Storm Iselle. And we said earlier that when it was a hurricane yesterday and last night, it was downgraded to tropical storm strength and did make landfall this morning on the Big Island of Hawaii. The good news is that this storm is going to continue its track off to the west-northwest and then just become extratropical. It is not going to refire as a hurricane, and it's going to miss the northern islands. Winds now just at 52 miles per hour. It is the storm behind it, Julio, that Tina mentioned a little bit earlier, that is going to go north of the islands. It is a big hurricane at this hour, and the good news is it is going to miss the islands, it appears now. 7-day precipitation chances here. Rainfall at 80% today. The chance that you'll see rain, that's good. And we continue with a 50% chance of showers tomorrow. And through the weekend, there will be those occasional showers and thunderstorms. It's not going to rain everywhere the whole time, but you'll have that chance of seeing some shower activity as we go through time. Look at this. Just since 10 o'clock this morning, the Mesonet site near Hopkinsville has recorded 1.58 inches of rain just within an hour's time. That's some very heavy rainfall for the Hopkinsville, Christian County area. And that heavy rain, as we showed you, is moving east toward Bowling Green. And some locations early this morning, like Columbia, Albany, Burkesville, Edmonton, picked up some decent rainfall in the early morning hours. Temperatures right now under the clouds, mainly in the upper 70s, some lower 80s, where we're getting some sun trying to break through those clouds, but a very tropical-like air mass. In fact, there's the fresh update from the Mesonet network showing mostly 70-degree dew points, which means it is very, very muggy. And now the rains are just outside of town. In fact, you can see the showers coming down Russellville Road as we're looking out from our studios here, 6880. That's the Natcher Parkway, and there's a heavy rain shower, kind of a wall of rain. In fact, there it is. It's hitting the camera as we speak, as you're watching that live. 82 degrees out, but it feels like 86 with all that humidity in the air. In fact, the humidity 68%, a south wind coming in at 5 miles per hour. We showed you Greenville a little earlier. Your rains were a little heavy at times, and now it's subsided a little bit, 79. Your temperature, cloudy in Edmonton, 73. Glasgow's at 77. You've got showers headed your direction as well. And as we take a look at Munfordville, you're mostly cloudy, 76. You had some rain earlier this morning. Now you're about to get some of that that's just west of the Bowling Green area. 82 at the Bowling Green Airport where it's rain. You can see a little bit, some yellow showing up in there. That would indicate some low 70s, maybe even some upper 60s in some of those areas that got some decent rainfall. Now I'm hearing it on our studio roof now, some of the heavy rain coming down. We're 3 degrees cooler than at midday yesterday. There's the first batch of rain that came through late last night. Here is that second wave now coming through. And yes, there will be somewhat a tapering off of some of that rain for a while. But if you're headed out to the world's longest yard sale along US 127 today through Sunday, there will be that off and on chance of showers, highs in the mid 80s and lows in the 70s if you're headed that way. And look at the rain coming down now at our studios. Showers, even a few thunderstorms, 85, brief heavy rain possible. Showers and thunderstorms late tonight, 71, and then tomorrow we'll keep in at least a 50% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms at 86. Getting a little bit warmer Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday until this system finally pulls away, and then slightly cooler for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. We'll be back with more Midday Live in just a minute.